Hey guys, it's One Man One Camera. Today we're at a place called Tivoli, T-I-V-O-L-I. It's like an upscale shopping center here in Summerlin. Just a quick ride around. It's closed. Most shops are closed. Some takeout stuff. Just a quick ride around. It's my first time here. Let's see what's going on. So you enter off of Alta for the main entrance. I believe is the main entrance, and it has a very nice design. There seems to be a lot of more upscale shops here. You won't see a McDonald's or Burger King crowding the nicer places out. But it does look very nice over here. I've been meaning to come down here for quite some time, but you know, you want to do things, you don't get to them, and so on and so on. And here we are today. So like I said, upscale shops. I know I saw a cafe earlier, Tivoli, T-I-V-O-L-I. Okay, Tivoli Village. That's the name, Tivoli Village. So I read there are like 40 different shops inside this place, so it's not gigantic. And I imagine they have some tasty food out here. So what kind of shops do they have? Something called Bar Smart. Bar systems. Presumably that's your inventory, cashier, cash out, you know, counting the money sort of thing. This is a nice building right here. I don't know what it is though. And off in the distance, there are some mountains. This will be a really quick tour, you guys. Really quick. Maybe I should have walked. Oh well. And there's another entrance over there on a rampart, I believe. So you make a loop, and then you come back. And now these streets are one way, which makes sense. Now this whole area is no parking, I believe. Well, there's some parking. Spoke too soon on that one. But it's just an interesting place. I've always wanted to come here to eat one of those cafes or restaurants, but I just never made it out here. Once things calm down and the madness ends, if I come out here for a bite of something. There's a bank called the Lexicon Bank, L-E-X-I-C-O-N Bank. It sounds like one of those offshore places over there in Guernsey. It's a Mini Cooper. You see some sort of fashion thing right here with deer and the antlers. I could tip this car with myself. Do I dare? Nah. Alright. This is a quick one, you guys. Hey. And so, this is probably better for a walking around tour, but I don't have time today, and I will probably try to come here again before the madness ends and do a more walking tour so you can get a better view of the place. Okay, all right. And there's some chicks taking pictures. Hey, baby, what's up? All right, let's get this guy out of here. All right. And that was it. Just a short one. All right, you guys. Ja.